We're a high-end residential builder based in Melbourne. We specialise in home renovations, new builds, anywhere from $1 million up to $8 million currently. Prior to BuildPass, some of the challenges that we were facing was definitely keeping track of trades on site, their insurances, SWMS, and just our overall safety as well.
Some of the challenges was definitely chasing the bosses to send through their SWMS on time and before they got to site. Now it's easier with the reminders through BuildPass and just be able to send that off straight away. Everything's so organised, everyone's on top of it, keeping all the trades accountable to what we want and what they want from us.
It's really helped us work collaboratively together to sort of really hone that side of our business and just keep everything in line, which has been really beneficial. For us, it's a really user-friendly application, so it's easy for our site managers, our project managers on site, and obviously our trades too. We don't get any pushback because it's so easy. The check-ins are easy, the management side of things are also very easy, so for us it's a real no-brainer.
I've used scheduling on our latest job in Albert Park. I started the scheduling with the AI tool. So it gave me the whole schedule and all I had to do was adjust that to what works for us. It was super helpful knowing where everyone was going to be placed within the project. BuildPass has everything all together. We used to take a photo of the defect and message it to the trade. Now we just use BuildPass and that's how we communicate.
Since upgrading to BuildPass, we never looked back, to be perfectly honest. We're knocking over our defects, in sort of 2 to 3 weeks' time rather than 2 to 3 months' time. So overall, it's giving our clients satisfaction and it's giving our team members satisfaction as well.